This is the time in our service when we come together and center in our hearts to feel that peace, that love, and the joy, the true joy of our being. When we allow ourselves to withdraw our attention from the world around us and focus inward on Spirit. Spirit is the truth of our being. The oneness of Spirit is in all of us. We are connected with each other here in this room, with everyone in the church, in the neighborhood, in the city, in the state, in the country, all around the world. We are one. One Spirit. Infinite, loving, peaceful, and joyful. And from this understanding, we consider the people in the prayer box, the requests in the prayer box. Whatever they may be needing, more money, more love, health, peace, whatever it is, we know with and for them that God is supporting all of us for our highest good. That support is always there, even when it doesn't look like it to our personality mind, our ego mind. God's love is flowing in and through us, as us, in every moment. And we know that everything is in divine order. And all is well. Amen.